Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing a clean base. Import your reference and reduce its opacity to about 50%. Once done, set a new layer for tracing and pick a brush with stable pressure. You want clear silhouette lines first, don't over-detail. The reason is simple. Shapes define character, and solid shapes make later color and shading efficient. So trace the main contours, major facial planes, and key clothing folds. Make sure to separate elements into layers for head, body, and accessories as you go. Now refine the line work with confident strokes. You want clean, purposeful lines that convey volume. Once you have the final lines, create flat color layers underneath. This speeds selection and keeps edges crisp. Use a limited palette so colors read well at a glance, then add local color variations where needed. After flats, set up clipping masks for shading and highlights. This step matters because organized layers let you experiment without breaking earlier work, and clipping masks keep shading contained to each color area. Finish by adding shadows, highlights, and small polished details. Use cell shading for a classic cartoon look and soft brushes for subtle depth. Once you place lights and rim highlights, step back and check values, make sure silhouettes read against the background. When satisfied, clean stray pixels, flatten optional copies, and export at the desired resolution. If colors look off after export, recheck color profile and lighting layers. If edges halo, reduce feathering, or increase contrast between linear and flats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.